Next question number 6 in circles. The length of the tangent from a point A at distance 5 centimeters from the center of the circle is 4 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. Let's draw one circle with center O. Here given the length of the tangent from a point A at distance 5 centimeters from the center of the circle is 4 centimeters. Let A is the point. Draw one tangent from point A. Here AB. AB is the tangent to the circle and given a point at distance 5 centimeters from the center of the circle. A to O. Distance is 5 centimeters and the length of the tangent is 4 centimeters. Okay, here we have to find the radius of the circle. Radius is OB. Radius is OB. Okay, here given AB is the tangent to a circle, touches the circle at B, and OB is the radius of the circle, and given OA distance is 5 centimeters and AB tangent length of the tangent is 4 centimeters. Here we have to find the radius. Okay, we know theorem 10.1. Radius and tangent perpendicular to each other through the point of contact. By theorem 10.1, OB is perpendicular to AB through the point of contact. Okay, so angle OBA equal to 90 degrees. From triangle OBA, angle OBA equal to 90 degrees. It means triangle OBA is right angle triangle. So applying Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Okay, OA square equal to 5 square, AB square equal to 4 square, AB square equal to 4 square, OB square. 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, plus 16 comes to this side minus 16. OB equal to root over 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16 value is 9. Root 9 value is 3. OB equal to 3. Okay. It is very simple problem. Therefore, radius of the circle OB equal to 3 centimeters. Next question 7. Two concentric circles of radii 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Find the length of the chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Here we are talking about two concentric circles. What are concentric circles? Concentric circles means they have same center. Okay, same center. We can draw infinite number of circles. Okay, but here we need two concentric circles. Draw two concentric circles. This is smaller one. This is the larger circle. They have common center. They have same center. Here given radii of two concentric circles 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Okay. Let P is the OP is the radius of smaller circle which is 3 centimeters. Okay. And here we have to find the length of the chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Draw chord which touches the smaller circle. Okay, here let AB is the chord of larger circle and AB is the tangent of smaller circle. Okay, AB is tangent of smaller circle, touches the circle at P. Okay, and join OA, OB. OA and OB are radii of larger circle. Here given length of larger circle radius 5 centimeters. Okay, see this figure. We know radii of smaller circle and larger circle, and AB is the tangent of smaller circle. Okay, here we need to find AB length. AB is nothing but chord of larger circle. Okay, this is the given data. We know theorem 10.1, radius and tangent perpendicular to each other to the point of contact. Okay, by theorem 10.1, OP is perpendicular to AB to the point of contact. Okay, here we get two right angle triangles. They are OPA is one right angle triangle and OPB is one right angle triangle. From triangle OPA, angle OPA equal to 90 degrees. So applying Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. OA square equal to 5 square. OP square equal to 3 square. Here we have to find, we don't know OP square. 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. AP equal to root over 25 minus 9. Value is 16. Root 16. Value is 4. Okay. Therefore, AP equal to 4 centimeters. Okay. Next, from triangle OPB, angle OPB equal to 90 degrees. So applying Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, OB square equal to OP square plus PB square. OB square equal to radius of larger circle 5 centimeters. 5 square. OP is smaller circle radius 3 square. PB square equal to 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. PB equal to root over 25 minus 9. Therefore, PB equal to 4. Okay. Here we have to find the chord of larger circle. Okay. It means AB length. Okay. Length of AB. AB equal to AP plus PB. AP plus PB. Here we get AP equal to 4 centimeters and PB equal to 4 centimeters. 4 plus 4, 8 centimeters. Therefore, AB equal to 8 centimeters. Okay. Hence, the chord of larger circle is 8 centimeters.